What it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. And I'm your host P Fire, aka P is for Patina, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Alright, my beautiful people, should we get into it? This time I'm not going to go around the camera and come back into camera and do it like we're doing it for TV. Instead, I'm sat at my desk, and as you can see, I have this nice green cloth today. And why? I will show you why. Should we get into it and waste no time? Let's get into it while I waste no time, while I'm actually wasting time. Okay, so today, my beautiful people, boom, we ain't dropping it like it's hot because it's not 2 feet bare correct, but today I have these. Let me show you, give you a little look so you can see what's going on. Again, we'll do a on body review of these, but I'm just going to show you what we have here, guys. As you can see, pair of white trousers. You might think, well, these are a pair of Stone Island flight pants, shall we say, and these were Deadstock when I bought them, and you know, I'm just gonna say off the rip, I paid way too much money for them, and I will be doing a video on what not to do when buying stuff off off resellers or sellers. You know, I'm gonna do a video 7 mistakes not to make, you know. But anyway, I bought these and really dope. I'm glad I've got them, but the price I paid, I've definitely paid over the odds. Now I think this might be a 2000 and I don't know, maybe 2009 pair, but anyway, so let's get into it, shall we? Okay gang, as you can see, beautiful pair of trousers these, man. Look, let's start with the right leg, shall we? As you can see, zipped pants right there, super nice. You got that really thick zipper right there, might even be a Lampo zipper, I will have to double check, and that goes all the way up, right up to the thigh, almost to the crotch. As you can see, opens up a bit, gives you a bit more spacing, so nice and extra loose, kind of like me on a Saturday night. Hey, anyway, super nice. You've got that, and of course you've got that nice little pocket right at the bottom, as you can see. Let me just show you that, and that is fastened by some Velcro. Oh, super strong Velcro. Again, these were Deadstock from I think 2009, so really nice. Super bit of Velcro there, as you can see, fat Velcro panel there and thin Velcro panel right there. If you go on to the other side, Equilibrium Safe and Beautiful Thing, and you have the exact same thing there. There you go, you see Velcro, boom boom, va va. Okay, as you're moving up to the pant, you've got that little panel there. You see that sort of, I'm hoping you're catching this. It's kind of just like a little circular panel kind of there, just there to elaborate the leg. Now, if we go to the other side, Equilibrium Safe and Beautiful Thing, you have that same sort of panel right there. Alright, now we're moving up the body. Let me just do this so you can see. If you move up the body, you might be able to see there's a few differences. You see that bit right there, very plain. Right here, Equilibrium, left hand side, right hand side, Equilibrium Safe, not a Beautiful Thing. Let me show you, but in this case you have, look at that, you have that mesh pocket right there, you see, and then that is got a nice little zip in that same thick zip. Now look, hand goes in. You can keep your I think you can keep your maybe your little cat in there, or your dog. You know, when you're traveling through quarantine and you have to put in one of those baskets with the mesh so they can breathe, you know, boom, that's exactly what this is for. I think this is for holding your cat or your dog or your pet parakeet. As you can see, really beautiful mesh right there, thick, and yeah, just really nice elasticy mesh. Super dope, that actually, super dope. Let me just zip that up. Really nice. As you can see, also you've got this other pocket panel. You see that? Really nice. You see it's got a little pull tab there, 2 rivets, A and B, little panel, boom, goes up, gives you another pocket, and that's a pocket that goes up, which is funny because if you put anything in there and it's gonna fall out, but I guess that's what that is there. And it's also fastened with 2 rivets, so not just the Velcro, you got 2 rivets on the Velcro. Really dope. Like, these are some flight cargo pants, you know what I mean? You want to go in your Top Gun, these are the pants you probably wear. Maybe not white, just in case, you know, gravity takes a hold and you do a bit of a mischief on yourself. You don't want the white to be showing, so maybe go for brown or black or darker colors. What is wrong with me, guys? I am not well. Of course, Equilibrium saying beautiful thing on the same side with the opening of the zip, as you can see, so that gives you a bit of looseness, like I said, like me on a Saturday night. Perfect. Okay, now we're moving up to the upper now. You can see the upper, so left hand side, right hand side, Equilibrium's a beautiful thing. You've got those zip pockets again with those lovely zips, and I'm not gonna lie, guys, in here, skis and chalet, you can put skis and chalet in here. These are all the people that will be using the skis and the chalet, so you've got a lot of space. A really nice deep pocket, perfect for hands in your skyrocket, walking down the street with my hands in my skyrocket. I gotta do that properly. I'm walking down the street with my hands in my skyrocket. That's exactly perfect. Okay, now moving up, as you can see, you have that nice burnished in steel. What's it burnished in, guys? Burnished in steel. You know what it do, what it don't, what it is, and that says stone to the island. Okay, now you have your belt loops here, undo up the front, and then if you look at the back, let's go to the back so you can see the belt loopage. Look at the back loopage right there. So you've got belt loop right there, belt loop right there at the back, and you also have one more there and one more there. Can you see that, guys? Lovely. Okay, so let's look at the back. It's so much more difficult doing it while not wearing it, but it's all good. At the back, once again, we have another one of those beautifully zips there with the heavy metal zips. A bit lighter, this one a bit smaller, but still really nice. And that zip, it does nothing. It's just for aesthetics, really. As you can see, nothing going, nothing doing. Equilibrium saying beautiful thing, voila, exactly the same. Okay, guys, let's look at the pockets. As you can see, you've got these sort of horseshoe kind of pocket. As you can see, U pocket. I say horseshoe because you can see that curvature. They've done it on purpose. That is fastened by a rivet. Boom. Perfect. Again, nice deep pockets. You can put a couple bars of gold in there. You wouldn't want to put it at the back because you sit on it and now you've got gold butt and that might hurt. So gold butt. Anyway, so maybe you just put nothing in the back. But if you needed to carry something, you can put, you could put a small apartment in there. And Equilibrium saying beautiful thing, another small apartment in there. And as you can see here, you have the Stone Island what do you want to call it, belt tab. And on this belt tab, I can't find the original one. It's here somewhere, but I done a tidy up recently, so I had it right before this video, but now I don't know where it is, but it's all good. So what you would do is you would put the badge. Let me show you. This is, by the way, this is from my my dust jacket. Yeah, so this is, as you can see, the badge has some different colorations at the back right there. It's one of the first videos I did, but anyway, you would then put that like that would fasten, and that's where the badge goes. Can you see? So that's exactly how it would sit. It's kind of like when you see the shoulder badges on the Stone Island jackets that have the shoulder epaulette. So it's basically a epaulette for the waist, and that's how it sits. Really nice. Let me just put this back in my box of badges. Got some badges in there. Okay, now if we look at the inside, there's a little bit of a drawstring. I don't know, it doesn't actually do nothing. It's probably for connecting your parachute to it, who knows. Of course, you've got your Stone Island right there, you know what I'm saying, Stone Island. Very nice. What else have we got? You've got your little bits there, you see sportswear. This is a size 50, which is kind of a large, or yeah, I'd say a large, maybe a medium. You got your sportswear SPA right there. So again, these I think from 2009. Super dope pair, guys. Super dope pair of trousers, cargos, whatever you want to call them. Really nice. They're in this resplendent white. Now, will I dye them? Maybe, but I think initially I'm going to wear these white, and then I'll probably give them a really nice dye. Alright, let me sit back down, because that was not the easiest video to do, I won't lie, but I wanted to show you something a little different. Again, as I say, paid over the odds for these, which is a bit of a bummer. I say paid over the odds. I mean, I don't know what they were dead stock from the time. They're super rare. I've not seen these. You know, I've got a couple cargos that I've not actually seen from other people have. But again, I still think the price was mad. And it just so happened that the person I bought these off, you know, he said the guy who, you know, collaborated with Stone Island to create these, he used to be a designer at Stone Island, you know, and he showed me his page and everything. On looking at his page later on, that guy was actually also selling a pair of these, but they were not brand new or dead stock. But I mean, they didn't have to be, but they was kind of like half the price. And if I had seen that, I would have got those instead, because again, I've bleached these already. When they came, they had them old sort of storage stains and all of that, so I still had to bleach these. So I wish I'd bought the second-hand pair, bleached those, and then saved myself some money. Again, I will be doing a video on what mistakes not to make. Even people like myself, I buy stuff and sometimes I've paid over the odds, you know, and I hate feeling like I've paid over the odds, you know. Most of the time, and I've bought from this person before, so he's a dope, you know, dope dealer. Not a dope dealer, but yeah, he you know, he deals in Stone Island, and you know, like, his prices are good, fair, everything. But I feel that this pair here, I think because of they're rare, and I think I just got caught up and I was like, all right, yeah, I'll take them. But if I had done a little bit of more homework and a little bit more due diligence, I would have probably been able to get these for half the price. We won't talk about what price I paid, because that's pointless. As you know, I don't really do the price talking, because once it's paid for, it's paid for. But yeah, it's all good. Anyway guys, so this has been a really different video. First of all, I'm sitting down. I've got the green cloth just so that the white would stand out. These are a really nice pair of Stone Island Flight cargo pants, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, just really nice, zippers galore. Just dope, man. Dope man, ghetto spokesman. Alright, my beautiful people, so that was my Stone Island Flight pants, cargo pants. Yeah, just something a little bit different. I will do a video with me wearing these, you know. I'll probably do another nice bit of kit with me actually stood up wearing them, see how they drop with your crepes and so on and so forth. So yeah guys, today of course I've got my Bear 77 tee on. For those of you that don't know, Bear 77 is a label I started, not label, unquote those, a label that I started a few years back, me and my cousin. Shout out my cousin Skinny D. Yeah, and we will be bringing it back. It's just like, we have stock, we have little bits, but I want to get the website sorted. I want to get all of that, and just I want it to be right when I bring it out, so that, you know, you guys can, if you do want, buy it, no issues, and, you know, start building up a community rather than just, you know, here's my t-shirts, and, you know. So we will be looking at this coming very soon. Also, as you can see, the background, I've got all these records. For those of you that remember the first videos, because I'm nearly hitting 300, I thought I'd take it back to the old days and sort of, you know, show you some different vinyls. You know, I've got Junior Mafia Players Anthem there. I've got Collington Ainla. You know, if you know about that, Niger, come on. I've got Barry White Love Unlimited. I've got the Fugees, Translated Crew, Nappy Head. So if you know about that, Mona Lisa, I want to, yeah. Anyway, I almost messed it up. Mona Lisa, would you like a date on Friday? And if not, that one. Got our kid Liam Gallagher, you know what I mean, come on, you know. Got Escape, Feel So Good, oh, great record, great cover. Bit of Rick James, got Jay-Z, Big Pimpin', Sunny Ade, King Sunny Ade up there. I got some Tijuana, Sound of Brass. I got Roachford, Way I Feel. I'm showing my age, but yeah, I just thought I'd show you some of the background. We're trying to take it back to that old classic, you know, early days. But guys, thank you for watching. This has been Once We're Not the Same magazine, dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian, I'm your host, P Fire, aka P is for Pilot. You see what I did there? Cargo pants, Pilot. Anyway, and this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kid That. Guys, stay dope, stay fly. Please leave your comments down below, and as always, man, be blessed. Peace.